lava, cake, chocolate lava cake. Sausage, egg, biscuit, sausage, egg, biscuit. Barbecue, chicken, pizza, barbecue chicken pizza. Green tea, latte, green tea latte. Matcha, espresso, cake, matcha espresso cake. Peanut butter cookie. What do you think? Leek, leek. Pear, pear. Pour, pour. Nuts, nuts. Heart, heart. Peace, peace. Pail, pail. Pray, pray. Fairy, fairy. Garlic bread stick, garlic bread stick. Cucumber, tomato salad, cucumber tomato salad. Chocolate chip cookie, chocolate chip cookie. Lemon, lime, soda, lemon lime soda. Pumpkin spice latte, pumpkin spice latte. Someone who often drops things is clumsy, a butterfingers. Someone who's very skilled and talented is smart, a hotshot, nice job. And someone who loves reading and studying, studious, a bookworm. I want to check your English vocabulary. Sure, I'm ready. I say a word, you say its opposite. Safe, danger. No, dangerous. Buy, sell, follow, unfollow. No, lead. Correct. Push, pull. Right, you should focus on the vocabulary more.